You know those adults can? Those mints?
Altoids?
Yeah, Altoids. Do you think they have them at CVS?
Yes, I do.
Okay, can you get like 2?
Can you start from the beginning?
Okay.
Hey, Mom.
Mom, may I do you a favor?
May I do you a favor?
Can you go to CVS and get some popsicle sticks if they have any, like the crafty ones?
Because you're crafty.
Yes.
I knew you were going to say that. Just like in the movie.
Mom.
Oh my God.
You just started this video. So,
Here, let's start it over 200 times.
No,
let's get it
Mom,
right.
Stop.
We'll get it right. We'll get it
Mom.
right. Okay, I'm just trying to reenact the movie. It's okay.
Okay. Okay. Then I need you to get an Altoids can. Okay.
Mhm.
Can you do that for me?
Popsicle sticks? Because you're
Popsicle
crafty
sticks?
like that. In the craft department.
No. Can you get the jumbo ones and the small ones? I need the jumbo.
What do you
This
need
isn't
these for?
school. I mean, like,
No, Mom.
we're not at Michael's either.
I know I'm
or
not at
Hobby Lobby.
Michael's. We're at CVS,
Okay.
Right.
and I know what they have.
There's
at
something
CVS.
in the bushes.
Oh my gosh! Okay.
Can you put your
Okay,
hand
you
up?
got me. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
We got you.
We got
Try
you.
to be quiet. You don't even know what I just said.
I love you.
Love you too, Cole.
He only says it back when no one's around. Ooh, what's that?
Hey, I just ran over you, Reed. We got to start over.